Okay, guys, real quick, this year we're going to be assigning our SBAs on Performance Matters per the district. So what you're going to go ahead and do is go to the the CCSD bookmark, go down to where it says Performance Matters, and find the word tests. Click on tests. Next to tests, you'll see Assessment Manager. Go ahead and click on Assessment Manager. Now, prior to releasing a test to your students, please make sure you look at the list of your titles. More than likely, you'll only see your grade level, but just in case, so you don't have a mishap, find out the title that you would like to release, then come to this area to go ahead and assign. So, for example, if All Shook Up was a test for your grade level, you're going to click on those three dots right here. And where it says Assign Online Paper Base, that's what you would click. As you see on this pop-up, you have some kids with check marks. That's to alert you that a child has finished the assessment already. Also, you see Assigned. That's what's going to pop up after you assign the SBA to a student. Also, you see some unassigned. Obviously, when you first come on it, you should see unassigned for your students because you've never released it. Um, Next to those students where you see unassigned, if you click on one, this assign button on the bottom appears, and then you just click assign. If you want to do your whole class, you click this box up here, you click all of your students, and you click assign. If by accident, for example, this says assign next to Serenity, if I do not want to assign this and I want to unassign it and I don't want them to see it on their computer, I click that box and then the word unassigned is available here. So this is where you assign, unassign, or you can come on and check and see who has finished their assessment. Real quick also, I want you to see where you can go after your kids have finished their assessment. Where it says reports right here, you click on reports and click on the word student item analysis. So up top here, whatever assessment you have assigned and they have completed, you click right here where it says select the test and you'll find an assessment. For example, All Shook Up. I click on that assessment here. A few things real quick and we'll get more in detail during a training. But up top here, what you would see is all the standards that's found in your assessment. So for example, this assessment had R21, 22, 24, 32, and V13. Also to the right of it, you see those items. How many items was written for that standard? If you keep going over, you will see the percentage of students, how they performed on this specific standard. So for example, yellow stands for below grade level. Typically that's like a level 2, one grade level below. So they haven't quite mastered that standard just yet. But then you have over here, these students, if you're green, blue, or purple, you're on grade level or above. That's where you want your child to be. But when you are yellow, or which would say orange, that means one grade level below, and then red obviously is well below grade level, which is typically 2 or more years below grade level. The colors match what they do for fast. So whatever fast, red, orange, green, blue, and purple mean, that's what it means here. One grade level below for orange, red, 2 grade levels below, you want it to be green, blue, or purple. That means you're on grade level, proficient, or above. Exemplary. If you keep scrolling down, again, there's plenty of things you can do and manipulate this, but I'm going to show you the main things. Down here, obviously, you'll see the percentage. That's their score. And here's your average score. In order to see the child's actual tests, like for example, you want your parents to see how they did, or you want a paper copy, It's not the prettiest thing, but you can click on this play button here and it'll show you obviously the assessment for that specific child. Up here, for example, this is the item analysis. You can look and see, okay, well, which question did majority of my kids not perform well on? Oh, well, right here, number 4, only 33% of the students got this question correct. And let's just say you want to actually see this question. You click right here on play, and you can actually see the question that the kids struggled with, just in case you want to pull it up for your kids or converse with your grade level about that question. It's right here and available for you. Also, if you wanted to click right here, you'll have a little graph. Let me click on it for you and show you. Scroll up again if you want to see, how many kids per se chose A, which was the correct answer because it's on green. It shows you how many students did, and it shows you in comparison to the district how many students got that question correct. So it looks to be like B was a lot. It was the answer choice that majority of the kids chose from not just our school, but the district as a whole. So those that chose the wrong answer, B was the answer they chose. Then you may want to look at B and see, well, what was the misconception? It's like, again, several things you can do with this and manipulate this, however it is that we can get as much data and information to help our kids pertaining to our instruction. If you need any further assistance, please just let it be known to me, and I don't mind sitting with you and having a one-on-one tutorial, but this is a video so that you can watch as many times as you want and feel comfortable doing so. Again, let me know if you need to sit next to you prior to having a training